Alright guys, welcome back to another vlog. I am announcing another giveaway. This time it's for the Apple AirPods. I know you guys wanted the Apple AirPods, so I'm gonna do a giveaway about the Apple AirPods. And another giveaway that I'm doing is the Apple Watch. I know I seen the comments, you guys want the Apple Watch as well. I'm gonna see if I can get the iPhone X for the next giveaway. But so if you guys want to win, just comment down below, follow me on Instagram, and like the video. Let me know why you want it, and yeah.
Got the sauce.
Alright guys, so I'm at the car wash right now and I'm getting my car washed. I'm not sure you can see through the camera, but
lbs.com.
to the car meet, and yeah, so I'm just out here chilling. I don't know where all the cars at. I think they all up there. But yeah, I just got to car meet. I'm gonna see if I can film some good cars for you here today. Woo, we got a Subi back there.
Download the full high-definition beat after purchase.
let me know if you enjoyed the vlog. So as always, everybody, you're beautiful. Keep that smile on your face. Stay awesome.